Hello, my name is Cristina. Buongiorno. Vorrei prenotare un tavolo per due per questa sera. Wow, that was me. Confidently walking into a restaurant in Treviso and reserving table. When the waiter asked me what time I wanted to come, I said alle 8:30. And I even gave him my mobile phone number in Italian. I've been learning Italian with Daniela. I cannot recommend her highly enough. She is capable of teaching a class of different abilities without the weakest feeling ill at ease. Whatever our level, she gets us talking, interacting, and thinking. I feel that my spoken Italian and also the writing and reading have improved greatly after this course. I found here not only an Italian language course, but a variety of learning activities. In the classroom, we had dialogue to listen to, games, role plays, the essential vocabulary handout, and outside of the classroom, cultural discovery, culinary tour in Venezia and in Veneto region. They were creative, imaginative, and encouraging with the true experience of the Italian life and culture. I no longer feel like a tourist. I recommend her and joyfully, without hesitation, to everyone of all ages and to those who wish to learn useful Italian, whether it is for pleasure or business. Mi piace molto imparare l'italiano con Daniela. At Joyful It.